Bougie besties, hey my baby, come meet to CVS to teach you how to coupon over $100 worth of products for just $12. Now hey, you're gonna need to bring about $17 in the store with you, but I'm gonna teach you how to earn some money back. If you wanna learn, keep on watching. Hey, don't forget to follow me or subscribe to my channel, like, save, and repost this video and drop a heart in the comment section. Thank you. Okay besties, first we're gonna start by grabbing 2 tubes of Colgate Total Toothpaste priced at $4.99. When you buy 2, you're gonna earn back $4 in extra care bucks. Pick up 2 Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $6.49. When you buy 2, you're gonna earn back $4 in extra care bucks. Okay, 1 Kids Orajel toothpaste priced at $3.49. Flip this 4 off 2 coupon for your Colgate. This 3 off 2 coupon for your Oral-B toothbrushes. Besties, everybody should have gotten this 10 off 25 CRT, so make sure you clip that one. While we don't have a coupon for the Orajel toothpaste, we do have a $1.50 Ibotta rebate. Make sure you download the Ibotta app now. Use this referral code at sign up for a free $5 when you scan in its first receipt. Please make sure you clip your rebate before you scan in your receipt. Okay, my babies, this is what our cart looks like. Our total is $26.45, but we have $17 in coupons, so let's go check out and pay $9.45 plus taxes. $9.45 plus taxes. We earn $8.19 back and extra care bucks. We're gonna send that to the card. Okay, my baby, so we're gonna take that $8 and use it on transaction number 2. We're gonna get 1 Stankill priced at $6.29. When you buy 1, you're gonna earn back $5 in extra care bucks. Pick up 2 Axes that are FIFA sponsored, priced at $8.99 a piece. They're buy 1, get 1 50% off. When you buy 2, you're gonna earn back $2 in extra care bucks. Clip this 8 off 2 coupon for your Axe. If you don't have the Fetch app, go ahead and download it now and use this referral code at sign up so you can earn a free $2 to $3 when you scan in your first receipt. Earn $2 back on the Axe. Okay, my babies, this is exactly what our cart should look like. Our total is $19.77, but y'all know we're not paying that because it's bougie over here. We have a total of $16 in savings, $8 in coupons, and $8 in ECB from our previous transaction. So let's go check out and pay $3.77 plus taxes. $3.77 plus taxes. Okay, my babies, we've earned back $7 in extra care, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, my babies, we've earned back $7 in extra care bucks. Now we're gonna use this on our next transaction. 2 bottles of Irish Spring body wash, $6.49. Buy 1, get 1 40% off. When you buy 2, you're gonna earn back $3 in ECB. Clip this 4 off 2 coupon. Pick up 2 bottles of Palmolive dish detergent priced at $2.99. Buy 2, you're gonna earn back $2 in ECB. Clip this 75-cent coupon. Okay, my babies, this is all we need in our cart. Our total is $16.36, but we have $4.75 in coupons, $7 in ECB from our previous transaction. Let's go check out and pay $4.61 plus taxes. $4.61 plus taxes. Okay, bestie boos, we've earned $5 in extra care bucks. Now we're gonna use this on our next transaction. Y'all know I love free stuff, so we're gonna pick up 1 Eucerin lotion priced at $6.99. We're not gonna earn any extra care bucks, honey. I just want my free lotion. 5 off CRT that everyone has, and then we have this $3 manufacturer coupon, so clip those. Okay, besties, our next free item, we're gonna 1 pack of the CoverGirl Easy Brow Pencils. We're not gonna earn any extra care bucks. This 4 off CRT and this 3 off manufacturer coupon. 2 sticks of Dove Men's deodorant. Intentionally get the FIFA sponsored ones. My store is not tagged, honey, but these are $9.99. They're buy 1, get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2, you're gonna earn back $2 in extra care bucks. Clip this 10 off 2 manufacturer coupon. And to Fetch, because these are FIFA limited edition products, you're gonna earn back $1 for 1 of your sticks of deodorant. As a reminder, you download the doggone Fetch app and use this referral code at sign up for a free $2 to $3. That's free money. Thank you. Okay, my babies, this is exactly what your cart should look like. Total is $28.26, but y'all know we're not paying that because it's bougie over here. On the $4.98 minus the $5 in extra care bucks we have from our previous transaction, which leaves us to pay $0.00. Period. Now let's go check out. Okay, besties, see what had happened was, honey. The doggone Dove at my store is $9.19. Then I buy 1, get 1 50% off. So now I will be forfeiting $1.21. Now you know I don't give away money like that. So I'm gonna pick up this 99-cent candy. So we're gonna only forfeit 22 cents. Oh my God. Okay, my babies, we earned $2 extra care bucks, and we're gonna take this and use it on our final transaction where again, we're gonna pay $0.00. These Nature Valley bars priced at $1.99. I don't have a coupon for these, but we do have this 75-cent Ibotta rebate. Please make sure to scan your receipt into Ibotta. Okay, this is what your cart should look like. Our total is $1.99, but y'all know we're not paying that because it's bougie over here. Our $2 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction to pay $0.00. Period. Now let's go check out. $0.00. Okay, my babies, before you put your Crocs in sports mode to go score these deals, don't forget to follow me and don't forget to come back and let me know if you score or not. Okay, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back.